Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to illustrate something on component number 2. So if you carefully examine component number 2, yes, we have undertaken the proper steps in coming up with the framework of concept of component number 2. But I want you to see something. There is a part which is not really joined. Let me try to zoom into it. There's a part which is not really joined right there. So now it is very visible when you zoom into this diagram. You can see that this component is not really it's not complete at this age. This section is actually a bad it will be a bad design when this component is truly made. So I want to fill up this space so that there is unison or there's coherence in switching on from our cylindrical protrusion to our rib to make a solid or a smooth transition in this case or at this joint. How do we do that? So I'm going to make a rectangle of this dimension, which is 25 by 8, 25 being the length of the protrusion and 8 being the thickness of the rib or the web, and then I'll extrude it to make sure that it closes here. Alright, so let me make this rectangle. I think it'll be very visible when I do that. So I'm going to select this edge, or not this edge but this face, and I'm going to get into the sketch mode. I'm going to be sketching, and I'm going to be designing this rectangle. So let me make some references. So the references that I want here, I think I need this side. I think I also need this side, and I think I also need this edge, and I think I also need this edge right there. So this is the kind of a rectangle that I'm going to make. I think it's very visible here. So click OK and close. So let me select the rectangle here to this surface, to this edge right there. And then I'll get into the mode. There is nothing to dimension here since all the details here they've been drawn with reference to a previously drawn component. I'm going to click OK. I am going to make or select the extrusion option. It is extruding in the correct direction. So I'm going to select another option, extrusion option, which is extrude to up to next surface. Extrusion up to next surface. So the next surface here will be this cylindrical section here. So I'm going to click that as OK. So let me zoom into it. Yes. Now this edge has been closed perfectly fine, and it is now superb. Now this is the best design principles that we can apply here to make sure that there's a smooth transition from the protruding cylindrical component to the rib of this component. I'm going to click done. To verify that, we can zoom to view what is really happening. Yes, now we have got a perfect smooth transition. We've got a perfect and a smooth transition right here. Perfect and brilliant. So that's a component number 2. Perfectly done now. Alright. Let me see you in the next lecture where we're going to be drawing component number 3 of our diagrams. See you there.